Good afternoon, heathens. Blake here from Bad Tree Productions. I just wanted to fill you in on a little something here. I got this a couple weeks ago. I made a video on cleaning it, and then it rained like 3 days in a row. And then that SD card ended up getting screwed up. So I'm going to show it to you, half-ass clean. Let me know what you think. (1973) Dodge D200 from Handlers, Cedar Rapids, Iowa. She's a teal color, West Coast mirrors. I like them. I'm gonna keep them. Fuel door there. Just got the trim package. I did have about 800 pounds of junk and yard debris in the back of the truck. If I can find any of that footage, I'll add it to this video, but I doubt it. It's actually got some solidness to the floor of the box. It ain't too bad. The old man, the original owner, I got this truck from the original family that bought it. The original owner bought it and had, from what I gather, an in-box camper, and then he had a tonneau cover made for it, and he used it for camping and for hauling his boat up to Harpers Ferry, Iowa to go fishing, not racing. I was almost going to say racing. Anyway, you can see the top of the roof's got a little patina rub from the in-box camper. You can see the old snaps down the side. She is got a floating Dana 60 in the back, 8 lug. I'll get to that in a second. Those are split rims, by the way. Replacement rims in the back. Custom aftermarket bumper. I gotta imagine that's what that is. Kind of neat though. If you had a camper, good little stepping spot. Taillights look like they're in good shape. Trim around the taillights are good. Trim on the tailgate ain't the greatest, but it's there. Watch this. That works. Oh, yeah, that was, I just put my hand on that. So it's not just you, Joe. I got wasps in my tin front too. So yeah, she's got some of the badging left. Imagine these might go on this truck in the future. Some drag stars. Or wait, I'm gonna get to that. Hold on. Hold on. The guy I got it from, who was running on this boat tank. So usually you don't have your gas line going to your boat tank going through the floor of the box and then up to the front. Fiance got me this sweet seat cover. The seat's actually really good shape underneath. There is one tear in it. That's on the driver's side, obviously. Rubberized floor. I got all the junk. Oh, I don't know why these are here. Rubberized floor. Some junk in here. The dash is just beautiful. I mean, there ain't a damn thing wrong with this dash. Look at that steering wheel. Look at the curtains. Red Ryder. Look at that. Ooh. So I gotta scrub the hell out of it. I just polished on her a little bit right here versus there. This thing's been sitting a few years. stainless dealy bops down there. This is where Grandpa's whiskey dent comes into play. Notice there's no trim. We ain't going to be driving this at the end of the episode either. Notice the inner fender well's dark green, and the fender used to be dark green. Yeah, Grandpa had too many whiskeys that night and kind of smoked her up in the front. Oh yeah. And this is a small block 360 without any heads on it. And it does hold water. See? Too bad. Could have gave them to a guy. But they're junk. Anyway, plenty of room under here for a future motor that Mr. Terry Meyer has helped building for this truck right now. It's going to be a stroked out 383 big block to a 426. So look forward to videos on that in the future. Look forward to videos on this in the future. It's not going to be anytime soon, but it's coming up.
Daddy.
Yes, sweetheart.
I was looking all over for you up the house.
Oh, okay. I'm going to finish this video, okay?
Okay.
You go keep picking flowers, okay?
But
So, oh, and I crawled underneath this truck. There ain't hardly any rust except for a little bit on the driver's side floor. So, she's gonna look good. We're not gonna paint it. She's got plenty of good patina. Joe, just Mopar Joe, link in the description to his channel. He shows you how nice these old trucks come out when you buff. Damn it, Tyler. Battery died. Anyway, she's got great patina all around her, and if you're a fan, or if you don't know about him, just Mopar Joe technically acquired a truck kind of similar to this after I did, but his video's out there quicker because that guy can put out some videos. His channel is excellent, and I'm pretty sure you're already subscribed to him, but if you're not, go check him out. I'll put a link in the bottom of this video to his channel. Great guy, wealth of knowledge also. So we're gonna buff on this old girl. We ain't giving her a paint job, but we might shoot some clear coat on her. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna switch over to 5-bolt. I got a 9 1/4 355 shear grip rear end that I'm gonna get from a buddy out of a Dodge truck. I need to get the 5-bolt stuff for the front. I already know I'm gonna get 70s, 80s Dodge van lower control arms. It's got a 3-inch deep pocket to accept the spring, so that'll drop this front end 3 inches. I'm gonna do the flip the axle on top of the leaf springs. That should drop the rear about 4 inches, and I'm probably gonna have to get rid of the running boards. But she's gonna be slammed patina with West Coast mirrors, and I just love this truck. So let me know in the comments below what you think of it, and if you're excited to see this thing get a big block 426, not a Hemi, stuffed inside her. She sure is pretty. All right, guys, just like always, thanks for watching. Thank you for being subscribed to the channel. If you're not already, please do so. It doesn't cost a damn thing, and it helps us out a lot. So please do that, and check out our merchandise. I'll have a link for that in the description. So have a good day. See ya.
catch up to what they've made. Store data on its partner, China's